Hello, today we'll be looking at an interesting switch that I kind of forgot that I ordered, the Ashkeebs Alexandrite switches. This is the third switch from Ashkeebs, and I think that these are quite notable in some aspects. They have a nylon bottom, an HPE top housing, a 13.1mm long pole UPE stem, and a 58 gram spring. There was also a little bit of lube on the leaf and legs, as these switches do come unlubed. Now, do note that these are manufactured by TechC. So if you plan on using the top or bottom housing for Franken switches, make sure that the top housing doesn't have the two pins commonly found on MX style switches. And as for the stems, the few that I tested have cleared both cherry and milky tops. First impressions on the switch in the Vega is that they're very quiet, albeit deep, but quiet. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, but still something to note of. The stem is also decently long at 13.1mm, with creams being 13.3 and the P3 stems at 12.8mm. One thing I noticed is that the stem bottoms out just a hair over the top housing. It's still quote-unquote a short travel switch, but feels slightly longer than other long pole switches. These are a pretty smooth feeling switch with the combination that Ashkeebs has decided to go for, with there being an ever so slight amount of scratch. That's not really noticeable unless you're pressing the switch slowly. I'll play a sound test shortly, and you can let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks, and have a good one.